Sometimes you want a closer look. That's where a great lighted makeup mirror can come in handy. Ilios Lighting Beauty Ring is an illuminated makeup mirror that you can use 3 ways: as a regular mirror, a 5 times magnification mirror, or take the mirror out altogether and swap in a smartphone holder and film flattering videos and selfies. I recently got a sample of this mirror to test out in my bathroom. In this review, I'll share what it's like to use, how it works, what it's good for, and anything you should know before you buy. Let's start with what's in the box. The mirror comes in a couple of pieces. The main mirror with light is the largest piece, and there's a power cord underneath it. There's also a detachable smartphone holder, and then the heavy base is the last thing in the box. The mirror assembles fast by screwing the stand into the base. The smartphone holder conveniently stores on the back of the light. The mirror can also be completely removed by pressing a small release button on top of the mirror. There's also a swing down arm that's going to hold the smartphone holder in the center of the ring if you want to use this for a flattering light for calls, photography, or making videos. As a bit of a bonus, there's a built-in USB connection in the back so you can power a smartphone while you're using it. The mirror and the ring is huge. It's about 13 inches all assembled, but the mirror itself is just 9 inches across. It stands 21 inches tall when on the stand. The last thing that might be worth noting, the mirror doesn't have a battery and must be plugged in at all times to use the light. I will point out the stand is not adjustable, and for me this was a significant downside both for doing my makeup and using it as a camera light. There is only one height option, which means it either works for you or it doesn't, and if it doesn't, you're going to have to find something to place it on or potentially purchase a light stand and mounting kit. The key feature here is the bright LED lighting around the entire surface of the mirror, which turns on by tapping the power button. There are 3 color options for the light: cool white light, warm white light, and a blended white light. The brightness range is adjustable across 5 levels, and I can confirm the highest is extremely bright and almost too bright, but this should satisfy most needs. The mirror doesn't swivel at all. For that, you need to move the entire stand into a new position. Now, the mirror itself will tilt on the stand, and when you do place it in position, it does hold fast. And like I said, the height is not adjustable at all. The mirror itself is on a pivot, and you can easily push one side or the other to spin it around. The main side is the regular mirror, while the flip side offers that 5 times magnification. Because the mirror does flip around, there's light no matter which magnification side you choose, but technically there is only LED light on the front. I tried using this mirror for my makeup on a daily basis, and I loved the dual options for regular and 5 times magnification. The adjustability of the light is really customizable, and I was able to dial in lighting that worked for me on any given day. Like I said, the mirror is massive and almost comically large, and yet because the height isn't adjustable, I was forced to lean over in my bathroom, which wasn't entirely comfortable, or I tried placing the mirror on a Kleenex box to get some additional height. Given it's already quite large and heavy, that's absolutely not ideal. For me, this is a makeup mirror best used by someone who sits at a vanity or a desk to do their makeup, not for people like me who may need to do it standing in the bathroom. I also used the Ilios Beauty Ring as a camera light with the smartphone mount, and this is what it looks like. It provides very flattering light, and it's a strong holder for your smartphone, plus you have the benefit of additional power if you need it. Overall, the Ilios Lighting Beauty Ring is a versatile, useful makeup mirror that delivers a lot. Let's look at both the pros and the cons so you can decide if it might be right for you. For pros, the mirror is large, solid, and sturdy, and it doubles both as a makeup mirror and a ring light for photography or video or even conference calls. I appreciate the clutter-free design where the smartphone holder stores in the back, and so does the arm, so everything's out of sight but in reach, and it can also power your smartphone if you're using it for content creation. I like the fact the mirror swings around so you can adjust your magnification from regular to 5 times while always getting full lighting. And speaking of lighting, the 3 different light color settings are helpful for different uses, and the 5 steps of adjustability on brightness also mean you can really dial in how much light you need. The mirror is quite large, which does give you a big viewing area, but the flip side of that is one of the cons. This mirror is almost too large and takes up quite a bit of counter space and overall airspace in my bathroom. Plus, despite its large size and formidable height, it's not adjustable, and when placed on my bathroom counter, I do need to lean over to use it. Another potential downside is that it does need to remain plugged in, which might limit its placement. Lastly, the Ilios beauty ring is not a small investment, so it's a good thing you may be able to use it for double duty. At $259 US, it's more expensive than even your average lighted makeup mirror or ring light. And in fact, you could probably buy high-end versions of both of these items and a light stand and still be under $100, so it becomes a bit hard to justify this price. Someone who may be doing a lot of beauty content creation would love this all-in-one solution, and I will say the thoughtful design of this mirror does give it some serious cachet. Despite how large it is, I'm determined to keep using it because I think it does a really good job with what I need help the most, and that's providing good lighting for my makeup application as well as offering magnification when I need it. If you're looking for something a little smaller and simpler that does also come at a lower cost, you can also check out Ilios' rechargeable tabletop mirror, and I get to review plenty of beauty gadgets and tech. Check out some of my latest reviews right now.